Why do so many CEOs hold engineering degrees? Engineers are unique in that they might be introverts at times. They are, nonetheless, gifted in math and construction. They have a distinct perspective on things. The following points demonstrate why engineers excel at leading businesses and why the majority of CEOs are engineers. Pay close attention to the details. Engineers are known for their meticulous attention to detail. They study it for years in college and then adapt to it. They spend their careers delving into the nitty-gritty of a problem and weighing the long-term implications. Solvers of problems. Engineers have exceptional problem-solving abilities. Whether it's a hard arithmetic calculation, risk management in challenging conditions, or decision analysis, they have been trained to repair a wide range of issues including machines, bridges, and businesses. Engineers can also generate excellent results by evaluating cost versus performance. Engineers are aware of the work of other engineers. Teamwork is critical to the success of any business. When a group of people collaborates for a common cause, they accomplish massive projects and manage millions, if not billions, of cash. However, if you do not have the correct individuals on board, the entire endeavor may fail. Excellent technological knowledge. They're always testing out new technologies to see if they can boost production or productivity. And they're always searching for ways to make things better, faster, and cheaper. Engineers are fascinated by optimization and efficiency, which are both important aspects of running a successful business. So, this is our take on why the majority of CEOs are engineers. Are engineers capable of becoming CEOs? Last but not least, engineers can make excellent CEOs because they can understand that failed experiments and past mistakes are necessary steps toward innovation.